New birdie toys.
It's so nice, so studs.
New birdie toys for my babies. I do believe they need charge, though. They already have one on the ground and are viciously attacking it. Yeah, these things don't fly around. None of them fly around. What in the heck? Okay, guys, you're... Okay, I have one that's got his head in a box. I think maybe once I charge them up, they might be a little bit better. But we have cat fights breaking out everywhere over these because they have catnip in them. A lot of catnip. I mean, you can smell the catnip. So this will probably have to be a, once I charge them. But this is just a teaser video. What you got? What you got to tie? God, Sugar. Shug. You gonna make it? Can you pass the toy? Can you pass the toy? I'm not passing a toy. Oh, you forget this thing's got batteries in them. Simon. Alright, let me get these things charged up and I'll be back with you. Thank you.